Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to achieve stunning chrome nails with an easy method. First, gather your essential supplies: a no-wipe top coat, your chosen chrome powder, and a small applicator. Ensure your nails have a fully cured gel polish base color. Then, apply a thin, even layer of the no-wipe gel top coat to your prepared nail surface. Now that your top coat is perfectly cured, it's time for the magic. Take a small amount of chrome powder on your applicator. Gently rub and buff the powder onto the nail surface using light, circular motions. You'll see that stunning mirror-like finish appear almost instantly. Keep buffing until you achieve an even, brilliant shine across the entire nail. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling great. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your chrome is perfectly buffed, it's crucial to seal it in. First, use a soft brush to dust off any excess powder from around the nail and cuticle. Next, apply another thin, even layer of no-wipe gel top coat over the entire chromed nail. Finally, cure this top coat thoroughly under your LED or UV lamp to ensure long-lasting wear and protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.